Today I'm preparing a super easy and delicious dinner, air-fried pork shoulder. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of pork shoulder, cut into larger slices and washed, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of paprika powder. For the chili dip, we will use 3 tablespoons of distilled vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 pieces of red bird eye chili, 3 pieces of red chili, and 3 cloves of garlic. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Place pork slices on a large tray. Sprinkle salt on each piece of the meat and rub to distribute the salt evenly. Turn it to the other side and repeat. Next, sprinkle half of the pepper, half of the garlic powder, and half of the paprika powder. Marinate the meat to evenly distribute the seasonings. Flip to the other side and repeat with the balance of pepper, paprika powder, and the garlic powder. Leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. While waiting for the pork shoulder to marinate, prepare the chili dip. Blend the ingredients. Any blender can be used. Put in garlic, bird eye chili, cut red chili, sugar, salt, and 3 tablespoons of distilled vinegar. Blend it until fine. This will take about 20 seconds. Alright, the chili dip is done. It is very fine and well mixed, perfect for the pork shoulder. Garnish with cilantro leaves and leave it aside. After 20 minutes, the pork shoulder are well marinated. Let's fry it. I have a basket in the air fryer. It was bought separately, but it fits quite well. Arrange the pork vertically so they fit in the basket. This helps to cook all the pork in one batch. Otherwise, cooking them in 2 batches work as well. Alright, put them in the air fryer. Set the time for 20 minutes. Set the temperature for 180 C. After 15 minutes, switch off the main plug before pulling out the tray. Oh wow, this looks so delicious. The pork shoulder should be about 80% cooked. Rotate the meat to evenly cook them. As it is a bit crowded, there are some parts that are not very cooked, looks grayish, while others are perfectly brown and cooked. Close the tray and continue to cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the machine. Wow, this looks great. The meat is evenly cooked and the smell of fried meat is so heavenly. Remove it from the air fryer and set on a plate with an oil absorption paper. This is optional. Cut the fried pork shoulder into bite-sized pieces. I also place a sheet of oil absorption paper on the chopping board to prevent the oil stain. I recommend serving the meat once it is cooked to enjoy the best taste and texture, as the fried meats tend to be tougher when it is cool. This can be eaten on its own or with rice or with the chili dip. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The pork shoulder is tasty and very tender, perfect with the spicy and sour dipping sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!